What is up, YouTube? Back at the shop. This is the Ironhead I was messing around with the other day. It was not working that well. Had a really bad battery. It was shorting out internally inside the battery. Put a brand new AGM gel type in, fired right up. All of the relays that were clicking prior stopped clicking, which was awesome. So, should be working now. I just got here. Motor is ice cold. Have not touched it since yesterday. Ice cold. So, easy to grab. We will go ahead and give this a shot. We're going to use a little bit of choke on this. The other issue I had was the brake light. We'll get to that in a second. 2 squirts of gas probably helps if you turn the gas on. 3 squirts of gas. Let's try that. Here's my to-do list of other things that need to get done. A little more choke. More choke. Come on now. I don't know how much gas is in here either. There we go. Now we're getting gas. Definitely low. Tail light and brake light weren't working before. We got that all fixed. So that's good to go. Now we just got to finish up. I messed up and put the battery in without putting the hold down, so that's going to get tightened up. Then got to bleed the rear brakes, and then she should be about done. New grips would be nice, but not required for rideability. And at some point, I just want to fix the horn on this. So there's a quick update on this Ironhead, which is up for sale if anybody's interested. Super fresh build. It's got P-cams, fully gone through the entire trans, repaired everything. Runs like a top. Original paint, original factory brackets on the oil lines and all of those fun things. And we have this Evo turd. This one is going to Justice. So he's been riding it, sort of. He had a couple issues on the take home. He blasted and coated the tank. We did not put a fuel filter on since it was a brand new tank, but some stuff got sucked up in there. So just went through, cleaned the carb out. We're going to slap everything back together on that and try and get this thing fired up. Hopefully he can putz it around today because it's not too cold and a little bit drier than it has been in the past. So bring you guys along on the carb install for this. Maybe I'll bring you along on some of the Evo stuff, but playing on bikes today. On the brakes, pretty quick and simple. I'm just going to pop the master off. I don't know how much room I have to get in here, actually. Would have been nice to do this before I just started it and got everything super warm and hot. I get to burn myself while I'm doing this. Pipe's super inconveniently located. I don't want to move the master if I don't have to. Top it off with some .5 real quick. Brakes are bled. I do need to adjust the brake arm on this here, so let me mess around with that, grab some tools, and go from there. Alright, so on to the brake adjustment. It's bled, everything is working, but the engagement point's a little off here. So we're going to adjust that one. I think this is a 3/4, but adjustable is what I got right here. So Yeah, I pulled the boot off for right now. We're going to put this lid back on. Like a big mess. All this work to try and avoid pulling the exhaust, which is fine. I don't want to do that. All right. Alright, now we're going to throw the boot back on. Jam nut. We'll do some brake cleaning around there, clean all that up. Double check the brake light. Working like it should. There you have it. Brakes are fixed. Alright, now we're onto the battery. This bracket sits like this. I have it upside down, so I gotta pull this one off, which means I either have to pull the battery out or take this apart. I don't know which one's worse. Alright, there we have it. Batteries, brackets back in. Snug this one down. When we start getting close, I'll adjust it. Like so. Alright, battery bracket is in. Battery bracket, brakes, and then horn is all we got left, but I don't know if I'm going to tackle that one today. But what I can do is throw the cool guy cover back on. Don't know why Harley designed him this way. To me, this is really ugly. Press fit into the grommets. I'll throw a washer on later. all done. 81 Sporty, ready to go. So we got the horn and grips left. There you have it. One done.